About this channel disclaimer. The content provided on this channel is not financial advice and is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Welcome. My name is Rees, and this is my channel Echo and Vision. If you're interested in 1. Earning more money. 2. Managing debt effectively. 3. Building passive income streams. 4. Investing. 5. Personal finance tips. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. All videos are animated by me under the Echo and Vision brand. My goal is to simplify complex financial topics, making them easy to understand and fun to watch. Note: there are countless ways to make money, and success depends on your skills, interests, and available resources. Stay tuned for actionable insights and engaging content to help you on your financial journey. Warren Buffett, widely known as the Oracle of Omaha, became one of the wealthiest individuals in the world through his disciplined and strategic approach to investing. Here's a detailed breakdown of how he made money by investing. 1. Adopting value investing principles. Buffett followed the principles of value investing, pioneered by his mentor Benjamin Graham. 1. Key idea: buy stocks that are undervalued by the market but have strong intrinsic value. 2. How he applied it. Buffett looked for companies with solid fundamentals, such as high earnings potential, strong cash flows, and low debt, trading at a discount. Example: he invested in Coca-Cola in 1988, recognizing its brand strength and consistent cash flow, and held it for decades, benefiting from both dividends and stock price appreciation. 2. Long-term perspective. Buffett famously quipped, "Our favorite holding period is forever." 1. Why this works: reduces transaction costs and taxes from frequent trading. Allows investments to compound over time. Capitalizes on the long-term growth potential of businesses. Example: his investment in American Express during the 1960s after the salad oil scandal saw a remarkable return because he believed in the company's ability to recover and thrive. 3. Compounding through reinvestment. Buffett reinvested the profits generated by his investments, harnessing the power of compounding. 1. How compounding works. Earnings from investments generate additional earnings when reinvested. Over decades, this creates exponential growth. Example: the profits from earlier investments, such as his textile business, Berkshire Hathaway, were reinvested into insurance companies and later diversified into stocks, bonds, and other assets. 4. Acquiring entire companies. Over time, Buffett shifted from solely buying stocks to acquiring entire businesses. 1. Benefits of this approach: full control over cash flows and operations. Consistent revenue streams that could be reinvested. Example: Buffett acquired companies like Geico, Dairy Queen, and See's Candies, which became consistent profit generators for Berkshire Hathaway. 5. Investing in industries he understands. Buffett famously said, "Never invest in a business you cannot understand." 1. Why this matters: ensures informed decision-making. Reduces risk from unknown variables. Example: Buffett avoided tech stocks during the dot-com bubble because he didn't understand their valuations. This cautious approach protected him from significant losses during the market crash. 6. Leveraging insurance float. Buffett used the float from Berkshire Hathaway's insurance businesses as a source of investment capital. 1. How it works. Insurance companies collect premiums up front and pay claims later. This money, float, is invested by Buffett, generating returns before claims are due. Example: Geico became a cornerstone of Berkshire Hathaway's portfolio, providing significant float for investments. 7. Focus on strong management. Buffett emphasizes investing in companies with competent and ethical management. 1. Reason: great management teams can navigate challenges and maximize shareholder value. 2. How he evaluated this: through careful analysis of past decisions and corporate culture. Example: his investment in the Washington Post was based on his admiration for the leadership of Katharine Graham. 8. Patience and discipline. Buffett's success is deeply tied to his ability to remain patient and disciplined. 1. Resisting trends. He avoids speculative bubbles and focuses on fundamental analysis. 2. Sticking to principles. He doesn't chase quick returns or deviate from his value-based strategy. 9. Capitalizing on market panic. Buffett is known for buying during times of fear. His mantra: be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Example: during the 2008 financial crisis, Buffett invested in companies like Goldman Sachs and Bank of America, negotiating favorable terms that led to massive profits. 10. Building Berkshire Hathaway as a powerhouse. Buffett transformed Berkshire Hathaway from a struggling textile business into a conglomerate holding company. 1. Diversified investments. It owns stocks, businesses, and other assets across industries. 2. Annualized returns. Over decades, Berkshire Hathaway delivered an average annual return far exceeding the S&P 500. Summary of Buffett's wealth building strategy. 1. Focus on fundamentals. Invest in companies with strong earnings, competitive advantages, and low valuations. 2. Long-term vision. Let compounding work over decades. 3. Cautious and opportunistic. Avoid bubbles and buy undervalued assets during downturns. 4. Leverage insurance float. Use low-cost capital from premiums to invest further. Buffett's consistent discipline and deep understanding of businesses have made him a living legend in the world of investing. His journey underscores the importance of patience, research, and sticking to proven principles.